Welcome back, game developers. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your Pong game with music, sound effects, and custom pictures. Before we get started, you're going to need to find sound effects, music, and pictures that you want to use in your game. Here's a list of the resources you should look for. A website I really like because it has a ton of free resources is opengameart.org. Once you're on the website, use the Browse button to look for music and sound effects for your game, as well as 2D art. I really like the 512 sound effects 8-bit style. Clicking on the name will take you to its download page, where you can find the blue download link towards the bottom. Now, if it's a zipped folder, you're going to have to extract the contents before you can use it. Let me show you what I mean. To extract the contents of a zip folder, simply double-click the zipped folder and drag and drop its contents into one of the folders on your desktop, such as your desktop. To download an image, first find the one that you want to use, then simply right-click the image and Save Image As. Once you've downloaded all of your images, sound effects, and music, it's time to start customizing. First, let's change the sprites in our project. Going one by one, open each sprite up and use the folder icon to load the image that you downloaded. Holding Control and scrolling your mouse wheel will allow you to zoom in and out, and you can crop these pictures to make them about the size that you want. After adjusting your image, double check to make sure that your origin point is still in the center of your paddles. Readjust the size as needed. To add sound effects and music, first you're going to need to add the audio object. Simply double-click on your background and insert the audio object. This will allow you to program in sounds and music. Next, we need to import our sounds and music. To do that, scroll down to the Sounds and Music folders, right-click one at a time, and do Import. Follow the prompts to import your files. Now that we've imported our sounds and music, it's time to update our code. Go to your title screen event sheet, and on start of layout, let's add an action, audio, play, and then choose your song and set it to looping. This will start music as soon as your game begins. Next, go to the game event sheet, and anywhere that you want a sound to play, add an action. For example, I want a sound to play when the ball hits paddle 1. I'm going to add an action, audio, play, and then play that sound. Sound effects should be set to not looping. Do this for every action you wish to have a sound effect play. Follow this method and you can customize your game.